नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण वर्ग 9वा चॅप्टर नंबर 5 क्वाड्रिलॅटरल मधील प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.1 मधील एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 पाहणार आहोत. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 इज if the ratio of measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 1:2, find the measure of all angles of a parallelogram. If a ratio of measure of two adjacent angles, दोन लगतच्या कोणांच्या मापांचं गुणोत्तर 1:2 आहे ऑफ अ पॅरलोग्राम म्हणजे समांतरभुज चौकोन. फाइंड द measure of angles of a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, means measure of angle A is equal to suppose 1x, measure of angle 2 is B is equal to 2x. Adjacent angle A and adjacent angle B. Solution मध्ये proof. Let quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. Adjacent angle A. Let measure of angle A is equal to 1x. Measure of angle B is equal to 2x. दोन कोणांच्या मापांचे गुणोत्तर 1:2 आहे. म्हणजे त्याचा अर्थ मेजर ऑफ अँगल A is equal to 1x, measure of angle B is equal to 2x degree. Angle A and angle B is the interior angle. Side AD parallel side BC with a transversal AB means angle A and angle B are an interior angle. Measure of angle side AD parallel side BC with transversal AB means measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 180 degree by interior angle. अंतर कोण interior angle. Measure of angle A is 1x plus measure of angle B is 2x is equal to 180 degree. 1x 2x means 3x. 3x is equal to 180. Multiply 3, change the side, divides means x is equal to 180 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 means 6. X is equal to 60 degree. Means measure of angle A is equal to 1x. Measure of angle A is equal to 1x degree means 1 into 60 is equal to 60 degree. Measure of angle B is equal to 2x. Measure of angle B is equal to 2x means 2 into 60 means 120 degree. Measure of angle C is the opposite angle of measure of angle E means measure of angle C is equal to measure of angle A is equal to 60 degree. Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Opposite angles. Measure of angle D is equal to measure of angle B means measure of angle D is equal to measure of angle B is equal to D is equal to B. Opposite angles. Measure of angle B is 120 degree. D is 20 degree. All angles of a parallelogram is 60 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree. In this way, example number 4 is finished. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, दिनेश के मॅथ अकॅडमी या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर जर तुम्ही नवीन असाल तर चॅनल लाईक आणि सबस्क्राईब करा, जेणेकरून नवनवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाहता येतील. आता आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.1 मधील गणित नंबर 5 पाहणार आहोत. Diagonals of a parallelogram intersect each other at a point O. If AO is equal to 5, BO is equal to 12, and AB is equal to 13, then show that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. सिद्ध करा की चौकोन ABCD हा रोम्बोज म्हणजे समभुज चौकोन आहे. AO ची आता या ठिकाणी ABCD पॅरलोग्राम करू आपण. Opposite sides are congruent. Of a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect at a point O. Means AO is equal to 5, BO is equal to 12, and AB is equal to 13. जर तुम्हाला रोम्बोज जर दाखवायचा असेल तर डायगोनल परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर इच अदर दाखवावं लागतं. परपेंडिक्युलर म्हणजे या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला 90 चा अँगल दाखवावा लागेल. या ठिकाणी ABCD इज अ पॅरलोग्राम. पॅरलोग्रामचे डायगोनल बायसेक्ट होतात. मीन्स BO ची व्हॅल्यू OD ची व्हॅल्यू समान आहे. AO इज इक्वल टू OC आहे. मीन्स क्वाड्रिलॅटरल ABCD is a parallelogram. Means AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. Equation number 1. Diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. AO is equal to 5, BO is equal to 12, AB is equal to 13. Means angle AOB हा जर तुम्ही 90 चा दाखवला तर आपण म्हणू शकतो डायगोनल बायसेक्ट इच अदर. ज्या चौकोनाचे डायगोनल परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर असतात त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो, रोम्बोज म्हणतो. इफ अ डायगोनल perpendicular bisector each other, then quadrilateral is a rhombus. Means AO square means 5 square. या ठिकाणी पहा AO च्या ऐवजी आपण अगोदर काढू AB square is equal to 13 square. Means 13 square 169. Equation number 2. AO square plus OB square. Value of AO is equal to 5 square plus value of OB is equal to 12 square. 5 square 25. 12 square 144. Means OA square plus OB square is equal to 25 plus 144. Means 169. Equation number 3. From equation 1 and 2 and 3, right hand side equal means left hand side equal. From equation 1 and equation 3, from equation 2 and 3, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. सर्वात मोठ्या बाजूचा वर्ग उरलेल्या दोन बाजूंच्या बेरीज एवढा आला. मीन्स ट्रायंगल AOB is a right angle triangle. Means triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. Highest side square is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. Then triangle is a right angle triangle. Means measure of angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Equation number 4. Equation 1 and 4. एक मध्ये तुम्ही म्हणलात डायगोनल बायसेक्ट इच अदर. 2 मध्ये 4 मध्ये मेजर ऑफ अँगल AOB is equal to 90 degree means diagonal AC perpendicular diagonal BD. Diagonal AC perpendicular diagonal BD. Equation number 4. Equation number 4. From equation 3 and equation 4 means quadrilateral ABCD. From equation 3 and 4 quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Is a rhombus. Diagonal equation number 3. Equation number 1 and 4. 1 मध्ये AO is equal to OC म्हणला तुम्ही. OB is equal to OD. Diagonal bisect each other. And equation number 4 मध्ये perpendicular आहेत. याचा अर्थ diagonal perpendicular bisector आहेत. Means quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. अशा प्रकारे in this way example 5 is finished. आता आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.1 मधील एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6 पाहणार आहोत. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6 इज इन फिगर 5.12 quadrilateral PQRS and quadrilateral ABCR is a parallelogram. A PQRS and ABCR are parallelogram. If measure of angle P is equal to 110, then find the measure of all angles of quadrilateral ABCR. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, PQRS इज अ पॅरलोग्राम आपल्याला सांगितलेला आहे. ABCR हा सुद्धा पॅरलोग्राम सांगितलेला आहे. मेजर ऑफ अँगल P इज इक्वल टू 110. P चं माप 110 दिलेलं आहे. त्यानुसार ABCR या कोणाचं सर्व कोणांचे माप काढायला आपल्याला सांगितलेले आहे. फाइंड द ऑल मेजर ऑफ अँगल्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल ABCR. PQRS is a parallelogram means measure of angle P is equal to measure of angle R. Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent means R is equal to 110 degree. R चं माप 110 डिग्री काढू. त्यानुसार मेजर ऑफ अँगल A and मेजर ऑफ अँगल R is the interior angle. Interior angles are supplementary. अंतर कोण परस्परांचे काय असतात, पूरक असतात. Supplementary angles are interior angles are supplementary means sum of measure of angles of interior angles is 180 degree. Measure of angle R is equal to 110 means measure of angle A 180 subtract 110 means 70 degree. A is a 70 degree. Proof. तर मग आपण सिद्ध करूया. Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram means measure of angle R is equal to measure of angle P. Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent means measure of angle R is equal to measure of angle P is 110 means R is 110 degree. In a parallelogram ABCR, in a parallelogram ABCR, AB is a parallel to CR with a transversal AR. Side AB is parallel to side CR with a transversal AR. With a transversal AR. Side AB and side CR parallel with a transversal AR. AB ही CR ला समांतर आहे आणि त्यांची छेदिका AR आहे. Means angle A and R interior angle. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 means interior angle. Interior angles are supplementary. Means sum of measure of angles of interior angle is 180 degree. Measure of angle R is 110. Measure of angle A. Measure of angle R is 110 degree is equal to 180 plus 110. Change the side minus means measure of angle A is equal to 180 minus 110 means measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree. Measure of angle is 70 degree. A and C are congruent means opposite angles. Measure of angle C is equal to measure of angle A 70 degree. Measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle R. Measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle R is 110 degree. All angles of quadrilateral ABCR is 70 degree, 110 degree, 70 degree and 110 degree. All measure of angles of quadrilateral ABCR is 70 degree, 110 degree and 110 degree. In this way, example 6 is finished.